Okay, it's a bit loud because I'm doing laundry, but I had to clean my apartment. It was just so disgusting and dirty, and I just couldn't do it. I couldn't do it anymore. But with that being said, it's 8:47. I'm gonna hit the gym, and then we're gonna come back up and get the day started. Look at how I need to cut my hair. I think that's what I'm gonna do this week, actually.
Now, or like they already were popping up last year, style in 2025. No, I think every single thing, like very few things from last year. Because I'm not back. But some people would consider me to be that because I'm not posted on YouTube anymore.
I ate some breakfast. I'm gonna take some photos now, and then I might go outside for a little street photography session. But yeah, I don't know yet, man. I'm still deciding. Alright, so I've been dealing with a couple admin things for this new job I'm starting this week, and I'm so nervous because it's a new thing in a new location, a new environment. It's just like everything is really overwhelming, you know, and I'm gonna be traveling, so it's just like, it's really overwhelming, you know, so I'm really nervous and scared about it, but I can't really do anything about it right now. What I can control is editing my video that I filmed yesterday, so I'm gonna work on that a little bit, and then once it gets more towards the afternoon, and the afternoon light starts rolling in, I'll do my street photography. I have my GoPro batteries charging. I'll only last for those 2 batteries. I won't really do anything else, but yeah, we'll see what we can get down to. Okay, the more that I vlog with this camera, the more that it's just not it. It takes incredible photos. It does. But I don't know why the focus is just not focusing on me quickly. Like it's on autofocus, it's on the biggest tracking, it's on face tracking. I don't understand like what's wrong with it. You know, it's kind of getting on my nerves because it's so annoying when it is not focused on you and you get blurry video, and that's annoying because you can't make a thumbnail out of it and so on and so forth. So either like I don't have this set up right, which I think I do. It's just like maybe it's just not as fast as I thought the autofocus was. Maybe I've been using like my other cameras and I've gotten used to the idea of that autofocus. I don't know, but it's getting annoying, and I think I'm honestly might have to use this camera more, which I mean, it's intended for this purpose, but yeah. Okay. My hydration these coconut waters are so good, and especially the chocolate one tastes like chocolate milk. Oh yeah. A tuna sandwich gets the protein in, gets me out on the streets faster. Video is done. It's gonna be uploaded soon. We're getting the day flowing. All right, so for this, man, it's so bad. Okay, for this upcoming photography video, I'm going to be doing, this is my film lens. So this is an FD lens, meaning it's for film photography. It's like all metal, heavy. It's a 50mm lens, and I put it on my Canon SL2, but I'm tired of using this camera because it's not the greatest for photos, so I am going to be, oh my god, I don't know where this cap is. So I'm using my Canon M50, I'm just switching out the lens. I'm trying to figure out if I still want to keep it or if I just want to return it. So this is my lens. So there's an adapter for this. So the M50 is so dumb because how Canon did it was like, they made their lenses smaller for their mirrorless collection or whatever. So I had to get an adapter so it could fit my regular Canon SL2 lenses on here, like the regular EF mount adapter. So I had to get an adapter, and then I have to get an adapter again for this lens, which is just this portion. So there's just there's more adapters than there is a lens, but this is what we're gonna shoot with. This might be a cool thing, so let's try it. Let's go out there and try it. All right, I just got back with all of my stuff. For some reason, my Canon M50 doesn't accept the adapter, so I just did it with my Canon SL2 because my Canon SL2 did it, so that's good. But I think I'm gonna return the adapter mostly because it doesn't work on my Canon M50. And I'm selling my Canon SL2, which is linked down in the description below if you wanna go check out any of the stuff that I'm selling. But like, why would I keep something if I'm gonna sell it anyways? Like, you know, like I feel like, and it definitely doesn't fit on my Sony because it's not the right adapter, so I don't know, man. All right, so my new job just sent me like the link to go watch all of the videos to, you know, the week of training, but no, to watch all the videos on the softwares, the systems. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna take some notes. I kind of wanted to edit my street photography video, but that's gonna have to wait because I'm gonna be doing this stuff first. I rather have brain energy to do this rather than edit. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna get a snack so that I'm fully fed. My brain is going, I have energy, and we're gonna do this. Let's do it. Alright, so Starbucks is doing a thing today where if you order online and you have the app, you get like a free, like small drink of coffee. So I ordered mine, and we're gonna go get it. Let's go. Okay, maybe I should have worn a thicker jacket out here, but I'm just running to Starbucks, so it's okay, right? Is being saved for tomorrow. Yes. Okay, sometimes I just hate being responsible and productive. Like, I'm sitting down and I'm writing notes. I just don't want to do it. Like, sometimes I just really hate being productive and, you know, doing this stuff, but I need to do it because I need to be smart because I'm a woman. People already have outstanding opinions of me, so you know, it's just, and you gotta prove them wrong. It's just like a whole thing. All right, let me get back to it. Side note, also, the reason why I said the fact that I'm a woman and I always have to prove myself, even though I'm gay and mask presenting, I still have to prove myself because I'm a woman. So, you know, especially in a male-dominated, you know, industry such as videography, filmmaking, my whole training, the classroom was filled with men. There was one other female in there besides me. So, you know, going into this and having this mindset, like, you just need to perform. And maybe that's just, you know, a standard that all women have because we know that we have people looking at us. It's a whole thing. I don't think the company is like this, but I feel like I have to do it every single job that I have. My girlfriend being Italian. Yum. Thanks, Hills. You're welcome. I love you, baby. I love you.